been about a week since our last video, and this is where we're at on the motor for the Odd Rod. We've spent about 3 days literally, mainly because I don't really know what I'm doing, getting rocker arm geometry worked out. And as you can see, these rocker arms have to be, these stands have to be welded together after you get everything set up, so it becomes an assembly. It's actually in 3 pieces. And had to order push rods, custom length, and get everything set up. And it really fought me this week. But anyway, all the measurements came out good, and all we have left is setting the intake on and oil pan, and we can go ahead and start setting it in the truck. Hopefully do that a little later today. We are curing headers on the wood stove like we do every year, because they were needing to be repainted. I was actually real pleased how well the paint held up last year. I mean, we just used VHT header paint. As far as I know, that's about what everybody does. Hadn't really found anything better, and you got to touch them up every year, but it stayed on really well last year. And this is how I cured them. I cure them a couple cycles on the wood stove, and then put them on the truck, and we'll run the motor for a short time when we first get it in, and that'll heat them up and let them cool off again, and they seem to be fine. So anyway, we'll continue on. Okay, I haven't shown a lot of video for the last little bit of engine assembly. We have hustled up and got it put together, and now have it back in the truck. Everything's been checked and pre-run, and it looks like we're going to get to go make some test passes if the weather holds. So I will try to finish this video up, hopefully with a few snippets of some of the testing if everything goes well, and let everybody hear what the motor sounds like actually making some passes.